Everyone, Kritika here. Yeah, the topic of the day is logic gates. Okay, in this presentation, I'm going to explain you about like what do you mean by a logic gate, how many logic gates are there, how the different gates function. Everything you'll get to know in this presentation. So first, let us see what do you mean by logic gates. Okay, we know like digital systems what we have, those can be constructed by using different kinds of gates. That is nothing but a logic gate. Okay, we have so many logic gates like and, or, not, NAND, nor, XOR, and XNOR. Okay, in order to represent, like in order to say how the gates work, means we are using a table over here which is termed to be the truth table. Okay, the basic operation of any gate can be described using this truth table kind of thing. Okay, so first let us see which is this gate. This is not gate. Okay, so here the downward part in the red has shown like this is the representation of a not gate. Okay, and this is the truth table what I have said. Okay, not gate means what? It is also called as inverter. Okay, the what this gate does is it's a single gate input. Okay, single gate output. What we fed into in the input side, we will get the inverse of that at the output section. That's why it's termed to be the inverter. Okay, so generally we can say the output of a not gate is always a inverted version, means ulta version of its input what we fed. Okay, this is a not gate representation, means if we are giving 0 as an input, we will get 1 as output, or if we provide 1 as an input and 0, the output will be 0. Okay, here 0 is termed to be the low input. The low is represented by 0 and high is nothing but the 1. Okay, the next thing, AND gate. Okay, this is a gate where it is represented like this. Okay, only the NOT gate is single input gate, the rest of the gates are two input gates. Okay, the output will be 1 for all the gates. So AND means it is a multiply kind of operation doing gate. Okay, what the inputs we are feeding two inputs A and B. Okay, the output we will get AB, that is multiplication. A dot B is the dot operation is used for this AND gate. Okay, the output of the AND gate is high only when both the inputs are high. As I already told, high means 1, low means 0. Okay, if both the inputs are 1, the output will be 1, or else in rest other three cases the output will be 0. Okay, how many inputs will be there, means how we can get to know is like for the except the NOT gate, the rest all gates will be using two inputs. Okay, the output expression of an AND gate is given by Y is represented as the output is equal to A dot B. Dot operation is the AND gate operation. Okay, here Y represents the output, A and B represents the inputs. Now it's time to learn OR gate. Okay, this is the pictorial representation of an OR gate, and the right side part gives the truth table of the OR gate. The OR gate is nothing is an plus sign is used for this OR operation. Okay, if any one of the input is high or both the inputs are high, the output will be high here. Okay, the expression is given by Y is equal to A plus B. If any one input is 1 also, you will get a high output. If both 1 also, you will get high output. Okay, this is a OR gate. Okay, plus sign is used here. Now let us see what is NAND gate. NAND gate is basically this gate performs the reverse operation of AND gate, guys. Okay, that is, we will represent the NAND gate by using a bubble at the output section with respect to the AND gate. Okay, this performs entirely the inverted output of the inverted performance of the AND gate. Okay, what does it mean? When the both the inputs are 0 or any one or 0, the output will be 1. Okay, this is the condition of NAND gate. Okay, the small circle what here we are using, it is termed to be the inversion operation. The first gate I have explained, right? The NOT gate is represented by a inverted bubble or a small circle at the output section. That is the inverter operation. Okay, now NOR gate is totally a ulta operation does by the OR gate. Okay, that is represented here, and the truth table of the NOR gate is represented here. what we know, like OR gate is nothing but when any one of the input is high or both the input are high, we will get output as high. Here when both the inputs are 0, we will get the output, because it is the opposite gate of the OR gate, or it performs the ulta operation of the OR gate. Okay, this is the small bubble, as I already told, it represents the inversion operation. Okay, now let us see this XOR gate. It is termed to be the exclusive OR gate. Okay, this is represented like this, and the operation of XOR is represented by the symbol like this, plus inside a circle. Okay, this can be expanded like a dot b bar plus a bar b, a bar dot b. Okay, here the output of the XOR gate is high in two conditions only. When the input, any one of the input is high, the output will be high. In other two conditions, the output of the XOR gate will be low. Okay, this is the encircled plus sign is used for this XOR gate. Okay, now let us see the last gate, that is XNOR gate, which is termed to be the exclusive NOR gate. Okay, this performs the opposite function of a XOR gate we have discussed last. That is this XNOR is ulta of that XOR gate. Okay, it will give the output high only when both the inputs are 0 or else both the input are 1. Okay, this is the representation of the XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate, that is the A exclusive B whole bar. It can be expanded like A bar dot B bar plus A dot B. Okay, that is the representation used for this XNOR gate. In the upcoming presentation, I will explain those expressions in detail by taking some examples. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thanks for patiently listening to my presentation. I hope this helps for the students who are in their first year engineering students, who are struggling to remember, or it's more useful for the students basic electronics subject. So hope it helps. Okay, thank you so much. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel, so that you will be the first person to get my updated videos. Okay, thank you so much, guys.